is as silky as my full moon lover moves in the idle rise of summer breezes. No love grows any warmer than his fireside eyes. Oh, midnight winter lover, when the season freezes. And he asked me why do you think you need me? And what do you see when you look straight through me? And I said, man, you are a long-lasting lover, and I'll be running with you and we can grow. pushes one of its buttons, and he listens to it talk. It tells him what he needs to know about every patient he's got. 14 years in medical school, and the machines are doing his job. All the machines say, I'm okay. All the machines say, all the doctors listen to what the machines have to say. All the machines say, I'm okay. Who wakes you up? Who makes your coffee? Who gets you to the office? Who does the work? Without your answering machine, you'd never know what anyone said. Without your remote control, you might have to get out of bed. All the machines say, we're okay. All the people use their machines every day. All the machines say, all the machines say, we're okay. Not much happening after dark without electric light. Without electric blankets, your body might freeze at night. Without a giant scoreboard, how would you know who comes in first? Without a vacuum cleaner, who'd suck up all your dirt. You're taking me for granted. What would you do without your doorbell, light switch, headset, receiver, television, telephone, phonograph, speakers? All the machines say, I'm okay. All the machines say, all the doctors listen to what the machines have to say. And all the machines say, I'm okay. That's all right. You don't have to stand up on your feet when she comes sliding into town. That's all right. Anyway, I'll tell you how I see it till I'll tell you just what I found. She don't recognize you standing up. You know she thinks you look better lying down. Here's the list. She can give you some tooth-dropping city woman, a hot stopping refined sugar, all-day sucker type, licking type of sound. Long-tongued daddy. Few people may get up and go. They just get right up out of their seats and go. But as long as you're smiling, nothing wrong about where you're going down. Ooh, pretty play. get some crazy friends, be rude and break the rules. Makes me look so much better, surrounding myself with fools. So hard to change, if you know what I mean. All play, no work, that's a selfish woman's dream. Habits, bad habits, hard to admit it, harder to quit it. Habits, bad habits, I've just about had it with my bad habits. Ice cream and cake, I wear it on my hips. Burning nicotine, I suck it through my lips. Exercise just makes me want to sleep. When I need energy, I have some more caffeine. So hard to change, if you know what I mean. Justify my pleasure till it becomes obscene. Habits, bad habits, hard to admit it, harder to quit it. Habits, bad habits, I've just about had it with my bad habits. Habits, bad habits, hard to admit it, harder to quit it. much of life has fallen through my hands. I pray the Lord I get another chance to face the raging storm and test its hands. Face to the wind. Too many hours making future plans, afraid to gaze upon the dealer's hand. But you know he's due to call, so make your stand. Face to the wind. Face to the wind. Like a boat upon the river, swept drifting out to sea. I cast my fate to the wind, and the storm hangs like a dagger to cut me in the heart, but still I stand. Face to the wind. Face to the wind. Face to the wind.
Something